Well, I'm back at the Aria, and it's been a couple years, so I'm curious to see what's changed or what hasn't changed. This is my second time here. I haven't been here though in 3 years. So I'm curious to see if the Aria is as good as it was or if things have actually gone downhill like some videos may say. So one thing that a lot of people love about Aria is the tablet. And it still does work, it's pretty cool. I can turn on the lights, the air conditioning, check out things about the hotel, and of course, you can open the curtains, and that's the magical moment. Magic. That's my favorite thing to do in the Aria. All Aria rooms are usually laid out pretty great. They've got these massive closets, huge drawers, nice desks, great TVs. Everything looks pretty decent. The only thing is it is starting to age a little bit and the room could use a bit of a touch up. It's not bad though. I think people are being kind of harsh on the room. It's nice enough and the Aria isn't crazy expensive usually. So the bathroom is really big. This is an accessible bathroom, it's all they had ready. But if I remember right, all the bathrooms at Aria are quite nice and spacious. It could use a dual vanity sink, that'd be nice. The wallpaper's a little beat up, but you know, it's not bad. It's a nice bathroom. So right away, one thing I did notice, which is a little disappointing for a room like Aria, is how it wasn't cleaned that well. The dust is like super heavy throughout the room. I'm not sure if they're just having a hard time cleaning or finding staff, but like this is like really like hasn't been dusted in a while. One thing I wanted to talk about with this minibar, it is maybe the most expensive minibar in all of Vegas. I'm not over exaggerating. A Diet Coke, a can of it in the fridge is $14.75. The Fiji water on the pressure plates is $25.75. A Perrier is $14. Like everything is crazy expensive this minibar. Don't touch it. I don't know who would, but I think they're just kind of taking advantage of people that would not assume that it'd be that expensive, and that kind of sucks. Last time I was here, the pool was awesome, so I'm excited to go see if it's still great. So it's pool time.
That's the best one yet.
Pool time.
Yeah.
I'm at the Aria pool. It is so nice. The water is just like warm and not too warm. It's just perfect. There's 3 pools here. You've got the sky pool, which is for the fancy suite people. They have another pool. It does close at 6. I did miss it because I came way too late. There's a bar. Really good vibe though. Like the music, the people here, everything is just super chill, super nice. Probably one of my favorite pools in Vegas. I don't know why, I just really like the vibe and the people here. Come check out the pool and don't come as late as I did. Come a little earlier. We decided to try Posh Burger in Aria. Not too expensive. It was actually a pretty good deal. $15 for a double cheeseburger and like $7 for onion rings. Let's give it a try. I gotta start with onion rings. It's a perfect onion ring. It's good. It's a classic double cheeseburger. Has the right sauce. I like it. It's a little greasy, but it tastes really good. Come to Posh Burger. I decided to try the lobby bar and use some of my rewards and got a free Manhattan. Let's see how they are. Straw. We're at Julian Serrano Tapas, or Julian Serrano Tapas, I'm not sure. We did another My Rewards here at the Aria. It's a buy one, get one sangria. So they're $18, get one free. Let's try them out. Red sangria, traditional. Delicious. Seasonal sangria, no idea what's in it. Even better. Yeah, the sangrias are really good, and it's a great buy one, get one, because you're end up paying like $9 each. Highly recommend this place, get into My Rewards, and come check out Julian Serrano. Right outside the Aria is the tram. The tram takes you to Bellagio, Madara, or Crystals, and it's free, so it's super convenient. This is the Crystal Mall. You can either walk here or take a tram here from Aria. It's all fancy, high-end clothes and all that stuff I can't afford or probably wouldn't buy anyways, but if you're into that stuff, it's here. It's Louis Vuitton, all that kind of stuff. It's really fancy, and it's beautiful. It's like an art exhibit in a mall. We're at the Aria Patisserie, I don't know how to pronounce it. Decided to get some macaroons. Violet cassis and birthday cake. I'm gonna try the cassis first. Never tried this before. Tastes like blackberries. My favorite, birthday cake. By the way, these macaroons are made perfectly. Kinda tastes like birthday cake, kinda doesn't. Not expensive. I think this was all $10 with a coffee. Get the cassis, it's really unique. Birthday cake, meh, kind of tastes like birthday cake. But yeah, this place is open 24 hours, so awesome. You can get dessert anytime. Another thing about Aria is there's no shows here. If you check their website, you'll see all the shows that they promote are actually at other hotels. So we're gonna go wander somewhere and find something to do. The Aria Casino is one of my favorite casinos. It is so clean, it's so nice. I don't get how they get it to smell so good. It's laid out really well. Great poker room, great slots. It's really one of the best casino floors in Vegas. So I'm gonna try a slot machine. I never win on slots, but I'll try again. Here we go. The seat vibrates. Weird. And that's how you lose all your money on a themed machine. Okay, so we randomly ended up at Best Friends to use My Rewards, which is a free appetizer. But we also ended up at the chef's table. So this is awesome. Best Friends is a restaurant run by Roy Choi. If you don't know who he is, look on Netflix or Google him. Roy Choi is an amazing chef. I love this restaurant. I've never been at a chef's table, so this is pretty exciting and random. So Roy Choi started with a taco truck. This is the short rib taco. It looks so good. Holy crap, that's freaking good. Kimchi fried rice. I already know I'm gonna love this, but it's so freaking good. Come here. Best Friends is amazing. I wear shirts by him in my videos. Wow. I really enjoyed my stay at the Aria. The hotel hasn't gone downhill. The room could use a little bit of updating, and they could dust it a little bit better, but other than that, it's still laid out really well. It's got great amenities. Other than the minibar being the most expensive I've ever seen in Vegas, The casino itself is gorgeous. It's laid out super nice, and it smells so good. Whenever you walk into the Aria, you get that hit of vanilla. And last night it was great. Would I recommend this hotel? Absolutely. If you end up getting one of the bad rooms, just ask for a higher floor and they'll probably give it to you happily. Right now I'm off to another hotel pretty close to the Aria and going to see what that one's like. So with the Aria, it all depends on how you look at it. Because if you look at it from different angles, it's not that bad.